back. Today we're going to be doing Valentine's special. And this is for my school because at school every Valentine's Day we give treat bags, and this is going to be 2 experiments. The first is chocolate science experiment. So now let's head on. All we need for this experiment is a tray, and then we'll need a spoon, and then we also need a bowl of chocolate chips, and then we also need a heart mode. Now it's time to pour chocolate chips. Whoa! This took up almost the whole thing. Steaming because the water is boiling hot. So I'm just gonna put this in the water and put it in. We have to wait for it to melt. Oh, now I can see some chocolate chips. I think if you put it on the edge, it kind of might melt. We'll see it melting against the bowl. And it might even take a while. You know a reason why I called it a science experiment? Because it became solid all the way to liquid. That's why it's a science experiment. See, it melted a lot more now. And also I'm going to give you a teensy hint. We're going to add some elements. And it also took 5 to 8 minutes for me to mix. And it's still kind of melting a little bit. But it's mostly melted. All I need to do is kind of smash it up. This looks so yummy. It's all like melted. And you know what? You know what my special elements are? My sprinkles to make it more interesting and very yummy. These also remind me of the edible stuff versus real slime. You should check that out. It's some hard sprinkles, but now we're going to add some mini sprinkles, a little bit in each. I'm using the spoon I used for the sprinkles because I think it's going to be easier and I have to hurry a little bit. Okay, this is not going as much fast as I expected. It's already now time to freeze. I'm going to put this in the freezer, and I think it should be 10-15 minutes. This is reversible change because it was solid and it became liquid, and now it's going to turn back into solid. So now do you understand? It's science, that's why. Meanwhile, we're going to be doing our second experiment with heart crystals. And this reminds me kind of one of my Christmas experiments, so you should check that one out. The need for this is hot water, pipe cleaners, popsicle sticks, borax, and string. Let's start making a heart. First, all you need to make the heart is you need to make these even, then you open it. I'm going to do it easier. I'll just tie it like this. I'll kind of bend it. And then if you want it to be in a better shape, you can adjust it however you want. How much hearts I made? I made 4, but we still need to make 20. But this is how they look so far. Now time for step 2. And I put my hot water in. So now let's add the borax in. Do you hear that sound when I'm putting it in? And you only need 3 cups of water and 9 spoons of borax. Now time to mix that, and I got a popsicle stick. I have to be careful and make sure to mix it well. Time for the third step. For this, I don't really need strings because my cups are small, but if your cups are giant, you might need some string. So I'm just going to put the hearts in, and I'm going to kind of make it smaller because I can't really touch the edges of the glass. Now, I need to add this in carefully. And also to let you know your crystals will form in like a day. I'm excited to see how this turns out. But now time to check on our chocolate hearts. Yum, yum, yum. I'm going to our fridge. I'll be right back. Look at this. It is ready. But now I'm going to flip it over like this and dump it out. Okay. See how cute they are. Wow! I know a better way of taking it out, and I'm going to try to see if it goes faster. I'm going to flip it over. I flipped it over, and I'm just going to push it from the bottom so that way I don't really touch it. Now I'm taking the heart in under. hearts, I'm gonna make a heart shape. I want to taste test because there's extra. This is way too yummy. Wow. This is how I'm going to make my goodie bags for my friends. The hearts only took 5 to 6 hours. Aren't these so cute? But now it's time to pack them up. Making these ahead of time because we need to quarantine. This heart's probably the biggest heart we made. And these baggies where I put my chocolate hearts in. That's yummy. Okay, I'm done putting them in. If you enjoyed today's video, you should try this at home and make it for your friends too. See you guys on next one. Bye.